Alright. Alright, I was working on my clutch and I need to torque this nut. So if I put my torque wrench on there, even though I have a positive stop in the cylinder, pull the plug piston or the spark plug out, put a positive stop to stop the piston. Anyway, so my positive stop has no effect. It's a short nut and I'm using a deep well, that's why it slipped up. But anyway, positive stop has no effect on the transmission, which obviously your clutch assembly dealing with the transmission. So, you know, I can do this all day long. You know, turn the back wheel all day long, it won't stop. So we cure that. Years past, they made these to torque that nut. So we go and we grab our tool, and we got to have a deep well to get past our exhaust and an extension. And I'm out here trying to twist this and hold this at the same time, and it's a short nut in there on your assembly, so you can't. So I'll just spin this around until it hits something. Well, then it's going to hit my pipe. So I will undo it. We're going to get it going here. But now we're hitting our brake pedal. So now I got to unbolt the brake pedal, pull the pin out of the clevis, slide that out of the way, and then when I get it on anyway, the next issue is going to be is it's going to swing up around here and catch the foot peg, and all it's going to do is roll up around anyway and slip over that, and then I'm back to position one, fighting all the way around. So now I have a 3D printer. I went and printed this little gem. Slide it on. Now you will have to turn the boss inside till they line up. Once you find when they're lined up, slide right in. Take your torque wrench. Hopefully my hand ain't in front of the video. And then torque it. Torque it spec. And you don't have to pull the clutch plate snap out either. I pulled 3 fibers and 2 plates in there. It's all the more room you need for this. When you have every tooth catching it, you know you're not going to break that away. But yeah, now I'll put it all back together and I'll torque everything down. 3D printed. No bulk, no fight in it. Like I said, you just slide in your you gotta spin your hub just a little bit till they line up, because even though I just had it in, the teeth are different. If you ever look at a clutch plate, there is a couple that are a little different, but yeah, just spin a little, it fits in there freely, has a little movement, but you're not gonna calibrate that with what you need to torque it at.